I walked into the gym, I spent 20 minutes pretending to stretch because I had genuinely no idea what to do. I was looking at the machines which I didn't even know existed. जब आप काम पे किसी project की तैयारी कर रहे हो, आप अपनी पढ़ाई की तैयारी कर रहे हो, you always follow a plan, you know. So just don't walk into the gym hoping that it will work out. You need to literally have a plan every time you walk into the gym. So अगर आप अपनी workout journey start करना चाहते हो और stuck हो कि करना क्या है, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to give you a plan I wish I had back then. 3-day split, simple exercises, zero guessing. Day 1, upper body. Day 2, lower body. Day 3, full body. Day 1, you're going to start with upper body. Before you panic, no, you're not going to get bulky. Upper body workout just means stronger shoulders, toned arms and good posture. And upper body strength actually makes your life easier in many ways. For example, working in the office 8 hours, you need a stronger upper body muscles. Carrying your child, you need upper body muscles. Carrying those groceries home, you need those strong upper body muscles. So let's get started. Before we begin our strength training sessions, I'm going to do a quick full body warm-up. Never skip your warm-up sessions. Also, I have uploaded a full body 5-minute warm-up video. I'm going to link that in the description for you guys to check it out. The first exercise we're going to start with is lat pull downs. We're going to do it on this machine here. अगर आपको ये अजीब सी मशीन कहीं पे भी दिखाई दे, this machine is used for lat pull down. इसके ऊपर बार होता है, यहाँ पे weights adjust करने के लिए होते हैं और ये seat adjust करने के लिए होती है. And grip should be little bit more than your shoulder width. Pull it down with your elbows and slowly release that. So for this you have to do 2 sets. अगर आप beginner हो, एकदम first time gym जा रहे हो, 2 sets से start करो and then after a month you can build it up to 3 sets. 2 sets करने हैं 8 से 10 reps के. The next exercise that we're moving into is called incline bench dumbbell press or incline dumbbell press. आपको bench adjust करना है 45 degree पे. You always have a lever here. Just pull that. Bring your bench up. या 3 या 4 की set पे आप अपना bench set कर लो. And then you grab a weight that you think you might feel comfortable with. अगर आपको light या heavy लगे आप आगे change कर सकते हो. आपको एक चीज़ माइंड में रखनी है, आपको अपनी आर्म्स एकदम पीछे नहीं लेके जानी है, ऐसे स्ट्रेट टू योर शोल्डर्स. दैट कैन रियली कॉज एन इंजरी. आपको स्लाइटली इनवर्ड आर्म्स रख के ऊपर पुश करना है. स्लोली कम डाउन, गो बिलो योर शोल्डर लेवल लाइक दिस. अगेन पुश. डोंट स्टॉप हियर, दैट्स नॉट अ फुल रेंज ऑफ मूवमेंट. गो लिटिल बिलो, पुश. स्लाइटली इनवर्ड, डोंट मेक योर आर्म्स लाइक दिस. थोड़ा सा अंदर की तरफ, पुश. आई वुड से 2 sets for a beginner is good enough. The third exercise we're moving on to is a seated cable row. In that exercise, basically your entire back is worked out. Your lats, your delts, your traps. ये सारे जितने भी छोटे सेंटर में मसल्स होते हैं या अपने बड़े लैट्स साइड्स के मसल्स होते हैं, all these muscles are worked out in that. ये एक्सरसाइज हम करने वाले हैं मशीन के ऊपर. So if you see this seat that is attached to the handle there, यहाँ पे पैर रखने की जगह होती है and this is called the seated cable row machine. So first you just have to adjust your weight here. I think that's fine. Sit straight, don't go so low, don't go on the top, just somewhere in the middle with a slight bend. Pull, pause for a second, release slowly. Don't swing. You're not working any muscle in your body when you're swinging. उतना ही वेट डालो जितना आप अच्छे से कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. This is one of the best exercises if you want to target your entire back in one exercise. 2 sets, 8 to 10 reps will be good enough. Now we are moving on to our 4th exercise. Grab a pair of dumbbells because we are going to do lateral arm raises. और थोड़ा वेट हल्का ही रखना because trust me ये एक्सरसाइज बहुत ही humbling है. इसमें 2 चीज़ें नोटिस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एक तो आप अपने आर्म्स बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं लेके जा रहे हो, दैट्स रॉन्ग. यू नीड टू कीप इट ऑन योर शोल्डर लेवल. द अदर इज यू डोंट हैव टू पुल द वेट्स अप लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू बेंड योर elbows little outward and your weights should go in front of you. I'll show you closer. हल्का सा आर्म में बेंड रखना है. You don't have to be straight. No, that's wrong. आर्म में थोड़ा बेंड रखोगे. This works on your anterior delts. वहाँ पे जो बहुत अच्छा मसल बनता है that gives your arms that toned look. This is the exercise for that. ये एक्सरसाइज आपको करनी है. अब डिफिकल्ट हो जाती है बिगिनर्स के लिए, तो आप वेट लाइट रखना. 2 sets, 10 reps would be good enough. Now we're going to do our 5th exercise. So the next exercise we're going to do is a tricep rope push down, if that's the correct name. Basically you use a rope and you push it down for your tricep muscles. तो ये exercise करने से आपके ये जो tricep build होता है, if you can notice this is the tricep muscle. That's what we're going to focus on when you're going to do this exercise. एकदम straight line में, same angle में, you need to push it down. और यहाँ पे आके रुकना है आपने 90 डिग्री पे, again push it down. If you can see that, and I'm doing this. और आपको अपने arms ऐसे open करने हैं इधर आके, you do this and you open your arms. But यहाँ तक मत लेके आओ. That is you are relaxing the muscle. Your muscle is not under tension. This is my favorite exercises for tricep muscles. And now we're going to move to our last exercise for upper body day, that is bicep curls. Grab a pair of dumbbells, either what you use for lateral arm raise, or you can go a little bit heavier. We are basically going to work this muscle out, that's called the bicep. मैंने थोड़ा सा heavy लिया है. Don't stand like this and do it. Just have a slight bend in your knees, arms facing front, and pull it towards you, and then go down. इस पे आपको दो चीज़ों पे फोकस करना है. एक तो कि आप अपने रिस्ट को ट्विस्ट नहीं कर रहे हो बार बार. Your wrist is set on that certain position. You're just moving your arms and not your wrists. Other is don't swing. आपने जिम में देखा होगा, especially our men, they just try to lift as much heavy as possible and their body can't control it, so they swing their entire body. Stand straight without much of movement, just your arms moving. So इस exercise के आपको करने हैं again 10 reps, 2 sets काफ़ी हैं. I would again repeat, beginners के लिए 2 sets से शुरू करना एकदम सही है, and then after a month or 2 you can move on to 3 sets, and also later you can move on to 4 sets. And this was our upper body day, done under an hour. Just focus on chest, back, arms and shoulders, and a perfect ending to our upper body day. See you on day 2 where we are going to focus on lower body. Bye. Good morning guys, and here we are, day 2 lower body. So first of all, how are you feeling after your upper body day? Are you sore? It's very normal to feel soreness in your muscles for up to 3 days. So don't worry, 3 दिन के बाद definitely कम होना शुरू हो जाएगा. But the best part is going to only focus on your second half of the body, that is your lower body. So let's get started, and definitely we'll start up with the warm up first. The first one we're going to do is on a machine. It's called a Smith machine. उस पे हम squat करेंगे. Basically it's a barbell squat, but on a Smith machine. For beginners, I would recommend doing from there because आप अच्छे से सीख सकते हो कि posture क्या है, balance कैसे करना है, rather than just grabbing a barbell and try to doing squats with that. Again, a very important, जो भी exercise आपकी सबसे ज़्यादा energy consume करती है, उस exercise को पहले करना चाहिए. And later on, we can focus on those tiny muscles. So always your quads and glutes first. आपने हर जगह सुना होगा that lower body days are very brutal. They actually are. I'm not going to lie. But lower body strength is so important. It's not just about the size of your quads or your glutes. The strength matters, especially for females during your pregnancy, during your delivery, during your daily activity. Actually, lower body strength matters the most. There's a study also where it says that your life expectancy actually increases if you have stronger lower body. So we have so many reasons to work those legs out. Let's get started. So this is called Smith machine. Always there are names mentioned on the machines, so you can always look for that. I'll go on the other side so you can see me better. You have to adjust. तो अभी के लिए मैंने कोई weights नहीं डाला है, और as a beginner आपको भी डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And then you just go under the bar and make sure you can lift it easily and stand up. Your feet shoulder width apart. Stand straight in a line and then go down. You shouldn't be standing in the front या बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे पीछे खड़े होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just straight under the bar and then sit down, 90 degree legs, push. Once you start getting comfortable with just the bar, then you can start adding weights on both the sides. You are going to feel it instantly in your glutes and quads. The second exercise we are going to move on to is a lying hamstring curl machine. So ये जो टेढ़ा मेढ़ा यंत्र है यहाँ पे, इसको बोलते हैं string curl machine. This machine basically focuses on the back of your legs. Those are your hamstring muscles, जहाँ पे अपना सारा cellulite जमा हुआ होता है, वो वाला. इस machine को adjust करने के 3 points होते हैं. एक तो इसको एडजस्ट करने के लिए और एक इसकी हाइट को एडजस्ट करने के लिए और एक होता है आपके आर्म्स को एडजस्ट करने के लिए ये। यूजुअली इसको ज़्यादा सेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, जस्ट डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर हाइट आपको वो पीछे वाला सेट करना है। सो यू गेट ऑन दिस, सो आई हैव टू बेसिकली एडजस्ट। You should be in this position, not in this position. I'll tell you why. आपकी legs आपकी lower body से थोड़ी नीचे होनी चाहिए. This is actual position. And then you pull your legs towards. और आपको इधर रुकना है. And then you pull again. तो जब भी आप मशीन सेट कर रहे हो, आपकी legs actually आपकी lower body से इधर नीचे होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पे आपकी legs पे tension होनी चाहिए weight की already, and you have to pull it together. Go back and stop here in the straight line and pull again. Straight line or little bit above the straight line and then pull it again. So guys, 2 sets, 10 reps. That's what we are going to focus today on most of our leg exercises. 2 sets, 10 reps. And my hamstrings are actually on fire. Let's move on to our third exercise now. The next exercise that we're going to do is called a goblet sumo squat. Sumo squat is basically ये आपका regular squat हो गया. Sumo squat is a wider squat which works your inner thigh muscles. So let's grab a dumbbell and you hold it here against your chest like this. Get into the squat position and basically squat. Wider squat is called a goblet sumo squat. You'll instantly feel in your inner thighs. Just because आपके inner thigh muscles बहुत ज़्यादा tight है, don't do half reps. Keep bring your legs little closer, but you have to go deep where your legs does 90-degree angle. So again, we're going to do 10 reps, 2 sets, and this is one of the best exercise for your inner thigh muscles. Trust me. अब हम move करेंगे अपनी fourth exercise. This exercise we're moving on to is a step up bench leg exercise. Hold on to any bar just for balance and stability, and pull your body up through this leg. 2 mistakes to avoid. एक तो ये arm use नहीं करना है just to pull yourself up. The second is don't use your lower leg just to push your body. That won't work any of your muscle and you're wasting time. Only focus on your leg that is on the bench and pull up slowly. And once you progress, you can also start holding dumbbell in either your opposite arm or your same side arm. This exercise is great for your quad muscles and also for your glutes. Focus on doing 2 sets, 10 reps each. Now we're going to move on to our last exercise, that is calf raises. बहुत से लोग calves को train करना ignore करते हैं. मैं उनमें से एक थी. I used to be like, I don't think I need bigger calves, but it's not about the size, it's about the strength. आप flat surface पे खड़े होके भी calf raises कर सकते हो, but it's just that when you go down, you relax your muscle. So I would step up on a plate so that my heel is still not 100% relaxed, and then you go up and up. Pause at the top, slow down. Again, pause for a second, slow down. Pause on the top, slow. Pause on the top. And slow down. It's very important to have strong calf muscles, especially for steps, stairs, walking, jogging for longer distances. Calf muscles are so important. Don't underestimate them. Again, इसके आप 10 reps कर सकते हो और 3 sets because we are not adding any weight. So we are done with our day 2. Definitely workout होने के बाद stretching करना मत भूलना. I'm going to soon upload a video for lower body stretch and upper body stretch after your workouts. आज आपको शायद लग रहा होगा कि मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा किया नहीं. I could have definitely done more. Trust me, don't underestimate my workout session. आपकी बॉडी आपको कल और परसों बताएगी कि आपने कितना अच्छा वर्कआउट किया था. Bye guys and see you on day 3 where we are going to focus on full body. Welcome back to day 3 where we are going to focus on our entire body. The workout is approximately 1 hour. We'll be focusing on 6 to 7 exercises. So let's get straight into the workout. Warm up से शुरू करेंगे because आज मेरा literally mood नहीं है. I don't know. Workout करने का mood नहीं है, record करने का mood नहीं है. I don't know why my face is also so puffed up and swollen. I have no idea. I was setting up my camera. मेरा nail टूट गया. But you know what? Let's just push through and let's get started. By the way, how are you guys feeling after your leg workout? Because honestly my legs are still sore. But yesterday I ended up doing 12,000 steps, which actually helped me a little bit in warming up my legs and reduce a little bit of soreness. But we still have to do what we have to do. So let's start with the warm up. So we're going to do a full body warm up that is around 5 minutes. If you guys want a proper workout video, I have already uploaded it. Go check it out. The link is in the description. Usually you should just hold on to something for balance, but I don't know why I'm doing it this way. सच बोल रही हूँ, बिल्कुल मूड नहीं है आज वर्कआउट करने का. It's a Sunday and it's 5:30 in the morning, by the way. Okay, Let's get started with our first exercise. So the first exercise is dumbbell deadlift with bent over rows. So grab a pair of medium to heavy dumbbells. We are first going to perform a deadlift and then we are going to do a bent over. That is going to be our 1 rep. Two things to keep in mind when you're doing this exercise. Number one is, I don't want you to go really low. Idhar tak aake ruk jao, kafi hai. You'll feel the stretch in your hamstrings and then you pull up. Don't do this. Don't do this. Just keep your body, your back straight and pull up. And then slowly come back. So these are the two mistakes to avoid, and you have to do 10 reps, 2 sets. Let's keep that standard for now for all our workouts. So our second exercises that we are going to focus on is a push-up. I'll show you different variations of push-up because बहुत high chances हैं कि अगर आप एक beginner हो आप push-up नहीं कर पाते हो, which is very common because trust me, when I started, it took me almost a year to get my first push-up. So don't worry, it's very common. Now the first and the most easiest form of doing a push-up is get on your knees, 90-degree knees, hands little bit wider than your shoulder. 1, 2, 3. The next variation is straight back. 1, 2, 3. Once you can do 10 reps of 3 sets in this form, you can move on to our next variation, that is incline push-up. 1, 2, 3. Again, once you think you can do 10 reps and 3 sets of this variation, congratulations, you are ready for a full push-up. Give it a try. एक push-up तो आप definitely कर पाओगे. So, straight line. 1, 2, 3. The mistakes to avoid while doing a push-up. आपको अपनी back हमेशा एक body straight line में रखनी है. Don't go low, don't go high. It should be in a straight line from your heels till your neck. And the second is your hands should be a little wider than your shoulders and go all the way down and up. While doing a push-up, always remember कि आप वो variation choose करो जिसमें आप 100% form पे focus कर पा रहे हो. There is no point of doing a difficult variation where you can't even focus on a right form. So keep that in mind. Now we're going to move into our third exercise. So the next exercise that we're going to do is for our core. It's called a dead bug exercise where your knees come in 90-degree and hands straight. One leg goes down, the opposite arm goes down. 2 mistakes to avoid. Don't do it super fast. There's no point. The other one is your knees should always come back in 90-degree and your other arm should always stay up. Okay, now if you find this easy, the second variation of this is you can use dumbbells. I'll show you. We'll do it with dumbbells. And that's our dead bug exercise. Now let's move on to our fifth exercise, that is reverse lunges. Guys, the good news is this is going to be our last exercise. इसके बाद हम 5 मिनट के लिए rowing करेंगे on a rowing machine and then we are done. So I want you to give 100% for this exercise. Reverse lunges. In reverse lunges, you step back, you go down and you come back in the standing position and again repeat. 2 mistakes I want you to avoid is 1, alternate leg मत करना, उसमें balance का थोड़ा ज़्यादा issue होता है. As a beginner, I want you to do 10 reps on the each side and then 10 reps on the other side. The other thing what I want you to do is focus कि आप 90-degree लेके जा रहे हो दोनों legs को and then you're up. I don't want to see these happening. So again, I would recommend you to do 2 sets, 10 reps on each side. अगर आप 3 sets कर पा रहे हो, that is amazing. Go for the third set because this is our last exercise. उसके बाद हम करेंगे अभी finisher rowing. Let's get into that. So this machine here is called a rowing machine. इसके यहाँ पे एक handle होता है. How to adjust this machine is I would recommend यहाँ पे adjust करने के लिए होता है. I would ask you to start with 5. You can twist this. I can ask you to start with 5, and then you can, whenever you find कि बहुत easy हो रहा है, you can keep moving it upward and increase the level of it. So just 5 minutes and we're good to go. I'm super excited because आज मेरा बिल्कुल mood नहीं था. So आपका पैर अंदर से and pull the strap. You should feel tight and comfortable and then pull the row all the way into your ribs. Now the mistakes to avoid in this, you cannot do this. इतना बैक को ऐसे लेके जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Your back should be straight. Pull your arms closer to your ribs and then straight. Pull your arms and straight. And the second one is always try to have a slight bend in your knees. You don't have to make your legs straight. So we'll do this for 5 minutes. अगर आपको ये comfortable नहीं लग रहा है, you can get on the treadmill 5 मिनट के लिए brisk walk कर लो, jog कर लो, run कर लो. That would be great. I'm still a little breathless, but congratulations, we are done with our full body workout. So this is exact split what beginners can follow every week for next 3 months. How to follow that? Monday upper body, Wednesday lower body, Friday full body. So what are you doing on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday? अगर आपका रेस्ट डे है doesn't mean that you're just rotting on the sofa. We will focus on active recovery. अगर आप already 6,000 steps कर रहे हो, I would start asking you to focus on 8,000 steps, 10,000 steps. On Sunday, you can rot on the sofa. That's fine. The other thing I want you to follow is on proper sleep and nutrition. Focus on 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Very much important. Why recovery and rest is so important? Because जब आप gym में इतना workout करते हो, you feel soreness in your muscles. That is where your muscles are getting damaged. आपके muscle fibers tear हो रहे हैं. And they actually recover when you are in rest, and the best recovery happens when you're sleeping. So focus on that. If you guys want me to make the advanced variation of the weekly split, I would love to do that in the coming few weeks. And also guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys are really enjoying my videos, a like, subscribe and a comment would be a great way to support my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.